So next we need to remove anything that's connected to this. So in the back we have our MAF sensor. It's got a 2-stage clip. We're gonna get behind that red and we're gonna forward. There we go. And then next you'll just grab it, pinch, and pull. There we go. So that's free. Next, I believe, yep, this is a 2-stage clip right there. So we'll have to pull that back. This one looks like I can push from the back here. There we go. Started. A little pinch, pull, and I'm gonna do this with 2 hands. Okay, so now I've swapped those up. I'm gonna go to injector at cylinder 2 here. It's a 2-stage clip here. Whenever you see red, you'll have to release that. So I'm actually just gonna get under that and pull that up. And if I can't, there we go, I got it by hand. And then I'm gonna push in on the tab and pull up to release that so the injector's in there under the rail. And then I'm going to come back here and I'll do the same thing. And then I'm going to switch these 2 out as well.